Hey, this is Brett. Hope everybody's having a great day out there today, and I am super excited to go over this ultra clean 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L limited package. This is stock number 25J7A. I am here at Summit Automotive in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, your new and used Jeep and Jeep Grand Cherokee headquarters. This 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited has the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine. It's paired up with the 8-speed automatic transmission. This Jeep has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop, has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off, and this Jeep is 100% ready to go. It also has 4 brand new tires that we put on in our safety inspection. This is a clean title history, 2-owner, clean CARFAX from right here in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, locally owned and purchased here new and always serviced here. Speaking of Wisconsin, if you're watching this video on YouTube, let me know where you're watching from. I always like to see where our viewers are. And I'm gonna go all the way around in this video. Inside, start it up, take a look under the hood, show you all the options, and give you the most accurate representation that I can of the vehicle. Bright white clear coat's the color, paint code's PW7, and if you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel and click the bell notifications, get updates in the videos I do each and every day, so you do not miss out on gems like this one. Comes with the 18-inch silver painted alloy wheels, and it has brand new Goodyear Wrangler Fortitude HT tires. These are 265/60 R18s. Still have the little wear lines on them, so they are brand new. We put those on in our safety inspection, like I said. And the front fender is in excellent condition. I didn't see any dents or dings on there. It does have the LED headlamps, running lights, and fog lights. I will turn all those on at the end of the video so you can see just how bright they are. Front bumper is in excellent condition. I didn't see any scuffs or scrapes or cracks on there. It also has the chrome trimmed 7-slotted grille and the chrome Jeep lettering on the hood. The hood is in fantastic condition, no dents or dings on there. And the passenger side front fender is in really nice condition as well. Passenger side front wheel, no major scuffs or scrapes, and it's got a brand new tire on there too. As you go down this side of this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited, take note of how clean the body is, how reflective and mirror-like that paint is. I take these HD videos, so if you are far away or even if you're close by, you just cannot make the trip down, but you're still interested in purchasing the vehicle, you can see the Jeep, hear the Jeep, and have confidence in the vehicle that you're looking at before you even get here. So when you do get here, there's absolutely no surprises, and you can make a smart and informed buying decision from wherever you're at. If this video helps you make that buying decision or just make the trip to come take a look at it, let your salesman know that you saw the video was helpful and that Brett sent you, and then I can keep doing these videos for our great customers all over the United States. Back tire is brand new as well, and I didn't see any scuffs or scrapes on that wheel. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, rear bumper's in excellent shape. I didn't see any major dents, dings, scuffs, or scrapes back here. It does have the backup parking sensors, and the rear gate is in excellent condition as well. You also have those LED tail lamps on there, and the chrome 4x4 Jeep and Limited lettering. This is a power lift gate, and you can see that works nicely. You get the third row seats that do fold down, and they go down completely flat, which is really nice, especially if you have to haul a bunch of extra stuff. You also have a 12-volt power point back here. You do get the silhouettes of the Jeep and Jeep Grand Cherokee L back there. USB, USB-C on each side as well for those third row passengers. These seats fold back up like that. And there's a nice ample storage area under here. You get your jack tools and access to the spare tire there as well. This one also has the Alpine premium sound system. There's your subwoofer, and to get this gate down, you press this button. It'll beep at you 3 times and then begin its descent. And you can see that's working very nicely as well. Coming around to the driver's side, just as clean as that passenger side. No major dents, dings, scuffs, or scrapes on the rear quarter or door. And for full disclosure, this back wheel is just as nice as the rest. You do get the Capless fuel filter, or Capless fuel fill right there. Never get gas on your hands again. And down the rest of the side of the Jeep, doors look really good. I didn't see any dents or dings on there. Now it does have the heated power mirrors. They have blind spot monitoring and built-in directional signals. This one does have the enter and go system. So you just have to put your hand in there. If you got the key fob in your pocket, it'll automatically unlock. And let's take a look at the second row seats. You get the black leather seats. Both of these seats are heated. No rips, no tears. You do get the latch child safety system for any child car seats you may have. Second row carpet and floor mats are in nice shape. You get 2 cup holders back here. Rear air controls, heated seat buttons, 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and 115 volt, 150 watt plug-in. You do get a remote, and that is for the Mopar DVD system right there. That is a $1,695 option on the original window sticker. And let's take a look at the third row seats. They are in excellent condition as well. No rips or tears on them. You do get a floor mat back here, and the carpeting's in very nice condition. These seats do adjust as well. So that's pretty nice. Inside the doors all look really good, and you do get the child safety locks on the back doors, and the bottoms and inside of the doors, no corrosion or anything on them. Up front, the limited package gives you the black leather bucket seats. Get the white stitching on there. Both of these front seats are heated. No rips, no tears, side curtain airbags, driver's side lumbar, factory floor mats up here, auto headlamps, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory driver's seat. Get the really nice wood grain trim on there, and the Alpine premium sound system. Let's hop inside, check out the miles, the radio, and everything this one has to offer on the interior. And see that this one has 51,746 miles on it. You get the big 10.25-inch touchscreen radio, and yes, we will be putting some fuel in this vehicle right after the video. You get the digital speedometer on there, outside temperature display, and the instrument cluster is very nice and clean. Tilt telescopic steering wheel, heated steering wheel, leather wrapped, wood grain trimmed, cruise controls on the right, adaptive cruise controls on there as well. Bluetooth and information center controls on the left. You also have the carousel, so you can have all the different screens up there. So that's pretty cool. And then you get the paddle shifters on the back, as well as audio controls in the back of the steering wheel. There's your wood grain trim on that steering wheel. And up here you get your start-stop capabilities, lane departure warning, stability control, hazard lights, and your parking sensors. You can turn those off and on. So it comes with the Uconnect 10.1-inch touchscreen radio with the factory navigation system that I believe was a $995 option on the original window sticker as well. There is Highway 41, so that is working nicely, and this is the Uconnect 5 system. You get your climate controls on here, which includes your dual climate controls, your heated seats, heated steering wheel buttons. You get all your different media on here, which includes AM, FM, Sirius, Bluetooth, USB, and AUX hookups. You also get your third row headrest fold down and your reverse camera, which they've made those crystal clear HD. And if you had a hitch on here, you could zoom in on that hitch to get hooked up to your boat, camper, or trailer the first time. Every time, like I said, if this one had a hitch, which I don't believe this one has a hitch on it. Here are all your different apps. I'm not going to go through everything, but you can see you do get off-road pages on there, which I'll show you. And then these are basically just links to different parts of the radio. But we'll check out those off-road pages because they are pretty neat. So you get your vehicle dynamics here, your steering angle transfer case if it's locked or unlocked. Oops, must have accidentally touched it there. And then you get your latitude, longitude, and altitude on there. You also have your coolant, oil temp, pressure, trans temp, battery voltage, your pitch and roll. So if you were doing a little bit of off-roading, you could see that. And then here is your Selec-Terrain. So that is part of the Quadra-Trac or the Selec-Terrain system right here: sand, mud, snow, auto, and sport. And as I click that flipper, you can see that that changes to snow, sand, mud, and then sport. And that's when you can use those paddle shifters. Put it back to auto for right now. Down here, your more tactile volume tuning and climate controls, heated seats, heated steering wheel buttons, 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and an aux jack, as well as a 12-volt power point. There's your shifter for that 8-speed automatic transmission, keyless entry with remote start and power lift gate, and that sits conveniently right in the center there. Get that nice wood grain trim on the dash and door, and the passenger side floor mat and seat are in excellent condition as well. No rips or tears on there. Smells very clean inside this vehicle. You can see the back of the DVD player gives you a USB, HDMI, and red, white, and yellow hookup. Headliner's in great shape, smells very clean. I don't think this vehicle's ever been smoked in. You get map lights up there, assistant SOS buttons, and power liftgate button. Homelink buttons for your garage door, security systems, and lighting systems. And let's start it up and take a look under the hood. And check out all those LED lights in the front. Starts right up, no check engine lights or anything like that, other than that I need fuel. I would personally like to thank you for checking out the video today. Hopefully from this HD video you've been able to verify the quality, condition options, and of course cleanliness of this Jeep all the way around, inside and out. And if you liked the video, give us a like on YouTube and let us know in the comments below what you liked. If you didn't like it, let us know in the comments below what you didn't like, and I can always make these videos better for everyone. See, those lights are very bright, and under the hood we have the 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. Engine bay is very clean, runs very smooth. Once again, this Jeep has been fully safetied and inspected by our service shop. Has a fresh oil and filter change. All the fluids have been checked and topped off. There is the emissions sticker, and it has 4 brand new tires. I would highly recommend this Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited from a quality and condition standpoint. I think whoever's going to get this one is going to absolutely love it. And to see more pictures of this Grand Cherokee L or one of our other 550 new and used cars, trucks, SUVs, minivans, Wranglers, Grand Cherokees, Grand Cherokee L's, Grand Wagoneers, you name it, we got to go to the website right there. SummitAuto.com, full pictures and descriptions of every single vehicle, all at SummitAuto.com. And if you'd like to check out more HD videos, you can go to YouTube.com/SummitAuto, click the bell notifications, get updates on the videos I do each and every day, as well as having access to one of the largest catalogs of vehicle and SUV walkarounds on YouTube, and stay current on our ever-changing and vast SUV inventory so you do not miss out on gems like this one. In fact, in a second you will see a link to subscribe to my YouTube channel in the upper left, a link to all the Grand Cherokee videos I've ever done in the upper right, a link to this vehicle on our website in the lower left, and a link to one of our latest YouTube videos in the lower right. Click those, check us out, give us a like and subscribe on YouTube, and thank you so much for checking out the video, and thank you again, and have a great day.